Hey guys, and welcome to another Weeb Wednesday with me, Letty! So glad you guys are here. Can't wait to tell you about today's anime. Today's anime is gonna be So I'm a Spider. So what? So we're gonna be doing our makeup based off of this cutie right here. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so because she is like a pink color, I'm gonna go ahead and take some pink. And I'm putting that on a fluffy brush, and I'm just kind of blending it out at the edge of my eye here. Kind of blending it in the outer corner, a little bit underneath, and up top here. Then I'm going to take some white eyeshadow, and I'm going to pat that onto my lid. So basically I'm patting this white eyeshadow all over the lid where the pink is not. And a little bit into the eyebrow here. And then I'm taking the fluffy brush again and blending the pink into the white. To represent the eyes, I'm going to take a little bit of pink lipstick and put the pink lipstick on the tip of the tail of my brush just because it's a circle. And I want little circles on my lid. So I'm gonna put 2 here. And 2 over here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and create the wing. So I'm gonna do a diamond shaped wing. I'm going to start from the outer corner, as always, and drag the line out. And then I'm going to drag the line in. And just before it gets to my crease, I'm going to make a line kind of down, but at a downward angle. To create that diamond shape. Alright, I'm gonna start from the inner corner and drag a line to the diamond I just made. And for an inner corner moment, we're going to start from the other line here, and we're going to drag out. And then I'm taking that in under the eye a bit. And I'm connecting that line to the top lid. And then I'm gonna fill it in. Alright, so now I'm going to take some white eyeliner and I'm going to create some spider legs. So I'm taking the white eyeliner and I'm putting it on a thin brush. And I'm dragging that outward gonna do this about 4 times. So in an attempt to make it look a little more like her legs, I'm going to add some pink at the top and some black at the bottom. I'm just going over the white with the pink.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine.
And then I'm gonna go in with the eyeliner, and I'm going to do the bottom of the legs.
Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today.
So now I'm gonna add a spider web between my eyeliner and the legs. And to do that, I'm gonna add an extra line out here. And then I'm just gonna make swooping motion.
I take shots to the top, I'll get it. I got one life, I'ma do all to win it. I do what's right, push until I fall. I'm slipping to get back up, always stand tall, I'm grinning. I got cuts real deep in, bruised and scarred. I had to learn how to think with my head not hard. I've been chewed up, spit out, torn apart.
Okay, and for this look, I'm also going to do a pink brow. So I'm gonna do my brow, I'm gonna do my lips, I'm gonna get ready, and I will be right back. Alright, here's the finished look. Guys, if you have not seen the anime, you should. So, it's an isekai, and I know what you're thinking. You're like, another isekai? Well, wait, just listen. So this isekai, it's basically a high school class, gets teleported to another RPG world. I know, you've heard it before. But, have you watched one where the main character is a socially awkward high school girl, but turned into a spider? Anime is mainly centered around the spider, but there are a few different point of views that you do get to see throughout the anime. And it's really interesting, you get to see the character excel, because she's kind of born into this RPG world as one of the weakest monsters in this world. She's a spider. So you get to watch her kind of go through a bunch of different hardships and just survive and be awesome. Really interesting. Let me know if you've seen it. Let me know if you have seen it, if you think, is the spider too OP? Do you like it? I think she's adorable. Anyway, guys, again, this is the final look. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Twitch to watch me do makeup tutorials live. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to show all of the support. It really helps me, and I appreciate it when you do that. Thank you so much for all of your support. I hope you like the look as much as I do. I hope you watch the anime. Let me know if you watch the anime and if you like it. But I'll see you next time. Bye.